Ready to transform your look? These 20 modern shags change everything. The Volumizing Pixie Shag. This tailored style is ideal for women experiencing postmenopausal thinning who require maximum crown height and structured fullness without daily blowout efforts. The classic razor-cut lob shag. Perfect for framing oval and heart-shaped faces, this textured shoulder-length option softens mature facial features while providing an effortlessly youthful swing. Curly shag with wispy bangs. This silhouette is engineered specifically for natural ringlets, distributing bounce evenly to eliminate the dreaded triangular shape common in older hair. The feathered choppy shag. An excellent choice for coarse gray hair, utilizing heavily feathered layers to create softness and movement while taming unruly wire-like textures. The asymmetrical modern shag. This dynamic cut redirects visual attention away from jawline sagging, using unbalanced side lengths to lift the overall appearance of the face. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Long shag with face-framing crown layers. Maintains long length for women who love long hair, but infuses heavy crown texture to prevent flat hair from dragging down senior facial features. The Texturized Shaggy Bob. A sophisticated hybrid cut that bridges the neatness of a classic bob with the messy volume of a shag, giving thin hair an instant boost. Mid-length shag with curtain bangs. The sweeping curtain bangs frame the eyes beautifully, concealing forehead wrinkles naturally while creating a chic, retro-modern look. The Wispy Edgy Shag. A daring and texturized choice that uses shattered ends to make fine hair look deliberately airy and piecey rather than thin and limp. Shag with wispy feathery layers. Incredibly low maintenance, this style lets women wash and go, allowing the lightweight feathery layers to fall into place naturally without heat. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. The textured salt and pepper shag. Specifically cut to celebrate natural multi-toned gray hair, adding depth and visual interest through choppy layers that emphasize silver strands. The wispy shag with blunt bangs. A chic alternative that introduces structured, direct bangs to anchor the face while keeping the rest of the hair beautifully airy and shaggy. The choppy layered inverted shag. Shorter in the back and angled towards the front. This silhouette lifts the neckline and flatters the side profile of senior women. Short shag with tapered neckline. Combines messy textured volume on top with a clean, closely tapered back, creating an elongated neck silhouette that exudes elegance. Shag with feathery face-framing layers. Designed to soften angular jawlines and draw attention up to the eyes, using delicately feathered side layers that flutter around the face. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. The Volumizing Crown Layered Shag. The ultimate solution for heavy, thick hair that has lost its bounce. These shorter top layers remove weight to restore a joyful, energetic movement. The modern shag with curtain fringe. A globally flattering style that bridges classic elegance with playful youthfulness, excellent for softening a high forehead gracefully. The shattered medium shag utilizes disconnected points to mask split ends and create a wash-and-go look that embraces a chic, deliberately undone texture. Short wispy shag with side-swept bangs. The side-swept fringe breaks up facial symmetry beautifully, drawing focus away from fine lines and toward a playful modern gaze. The ultimate razored shag lob. The definitive low-effort statement cut that combines sleekness at the roots with maximum movement at the tips for a lively, ageless feel. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments.